Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about a van that's so peaceful, I felt like I owed it an apology for climbing inside with muddy boots. Introducing the Tranquility 24A by Thor Motor Coach, aka the off-grid monk of camper vans. This thing is so zen, if it had a voice, it'd probably whisper affirmations and offer you herbal tea. And yet, under all that peaceful charm is a brawny Mercedes-Benz Sprinter chassis and a 3,000-watt inverter screaming. As long as there's gas, we've got juice, baby. Before we dive into the rolling spa retreat that is this van, do us a solid. Hit that subscribe button. CampAvto brings you wild rigs weekly, and I promise it's more satisfying than watching your neighbor fail at backing up a trailer for the 17th time. All right, now back to this beast. The Tranquility 24A starts at $189,700, €175,300. Built on a diesel-powered Benz chassis, it offers all-wheel drive, standard all-terrain tires, and every safety feature known to Stuttgart. But what really makes it shine is the reliable power pack, a 170-amp alternator feeding 460 amp-hours of lithium power through a 3,000-watt inverter. Translation? As long as you're burning diesel, you're charging the house. Even has auto start so your batteries don't ghost you in the wild. Now let's talk layout. My favorite part? The rear bathroom. Yes, you heard that right. Thor put the throne room in the back. You swing open the double doors and boom! Al fresco shower or toilet break with a view of the Grand Canyon or Walmart parking lot, depending on your GPS. No cassette toilet here. Just a good old traditional RV tank, which means no smells and no sketchy disposal duties. Next up, the living area, aka the 3-in-1 transformer space. 2 couches turn into single beds, or a massive king bed, or a cozy lounge if you're feeling civilized. The split kitchens got a portable induction cooktop, microwave, sink, and fridge, enough to make your neighbor Larry jealous when he's burning his hot dogs on a campfire rock. Vinyl floors, soft touch ceiling, LED lights, USB ports, storage galore. It's got more features than my ex's dating profile. And outdoors? Basically, if this van had a Tinder profile, you'd swipe right. Then ask it to marry you. I believe this rig nails the balance between off-grid muscle and civilized comfort. I liked the bathroom setup the most. Finally, privacy and nature watching in one spot. But don't take my word for it. Go poke one at your nearest dealer and see if it gives you butterflies. And hey, if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe, and become a sponsor of our channel for just $1 a month. That's cheaper than a gas station donut and won't give you heartburn. Sponsorship link is under the video. Make our accountant do a happy dance.